Hello everyone and welcome back to another review on the channel. We do have the $17 wireless Temu microphone. It did come in the mail, but the battery is unfortunately not working at the moment. So right here, down here is the battery. You recharge this with a little charger. And here's the little screen. You hold that in and press and it says a little range of the frequency and all that. It's the microphone here. And this is the charging port to DV port. And then this is a little 6.5 millimeter jack adapter, and this is the big adapter. You plug that into it, and that adapter, and you can plug it into a speaker or amplifier, and that's the on button. And there's the receiver on the back, and there's also a battery inside there. I don't think you have to take out the battery, just charge this. Pretty sure this goes 20 or 30 minutes range, and the quality is pretty good. I've been using on chargers so far. And yeah, so this, if you have a little speaker, you can put that in. And this is the on and off button. You connect this. This is $17, right? And it came in a box. Came in a couple of days ago. And yeah, it's got really good quality. So I honestly rated it 4 stars, 4.5 stars, because the battery's not working a little bit. But yes, honestly, other than that, it's really good quality.